गोयच्या तशेंच परराच्या लोकां खातीर ही अभिमानाची गजाल आसा. सर्गेस्त मनोहर पर्रीकर हांकां पद्मभूषण पुरस्कारान सन्मानीत केला म्हूण तांचे पूत उत्पल पर्रीकरान हो पुरस्कार देशाचे राष्ट्रपती रामनाथ कोविंद हांच्या हस्तुकी स्विकारलो. आमच्या खातीर ही खोशयेची गजाल आसा म्हूण कळंगूटचो आमदार मंत्री लोबो उलयला. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
It is a great honor for the people of Goa and especially the people of Parra, that is the ancestral village of our late Shri Manohar Parrikar, ex-CM, ex-Defence Minister of this country. Shri Utpal Parrikar has received this award, Padma Bhushan, the great national award, and we are all happy. I started my political career as a Zilla Panchayat member. Under his leadership, he was then leader of opposition, and worked under him when he was chief minister, and again worked under him when he was chief minister. It was a great journey, and rightly, the President of India has, after his demise, has conferred upon him this great award, the national award, Padma Bhushan. And we all Goans, and especially the people of Mara, are very happy that this great award has been given to his family in his name.